Well, I installed this 10-inch Android radio. It's fairly inexpensive. It's like $200. But what they do sell you is, actually they don't sell you, they give it to you when you buy the radio, is a reverse camera, a front dash camera, and an OBD2 sensor. So obviously it has radio. It does have CarPlay, Google Maps, all that kind of thing. But the OBD2 is kind of cool because you can pull this up and then you can read some engine gauges. Still configuring them right now, but I think that's a neat thing because obviously the instrumentation on the 450 is pretty limited. So that's kind of nice. However, I do have a ultimate gauge, which I'm not sure if I'm going to keep or just go back and reconfigure all the gauges here, but that's kind of nice. Of course, this does have a backup camera, so I'm going to put it in reverse while I'm trying to do that, holding the phone. And so you do have a reverse camera there, which is nice. And it is the one that comes with the radio. I decided not to use the one that was on the coach before. I just think it's got a better picture. But what I installed also, which I kind of like, is one of these rear view mirrors. So the rear view mirror here is a front view camera, a split camera between front and rear, or just a rear view camera. So that's kind of cool. While you're going down the road, you can see, it's almost like having a rear view mirror while you're driving. Both of these did require running a cable back to the back, and I mounted this camera down low right over the hitch for when I'm hitching. You know, it's kind of easy to see. And then this camera, mounted the camera up a little bit higher. What's kind of cool is on this side of the screen, you can change the orientation of the camera. So when you're going down the road, you can look farther back on traffic. When you're backing up, you can tilt it down. It does record. And so like I say, when you got split camera going, you got front and rear, it's recording both. So if there's ever an accident or something, that's kind of nice. And I think that's like 110 bucks, something like that on Amazon. So I don't know, some pretty cool camera stuff. I mean, my 2020 RedHawk 31F never had the side cameras, but I kind of feel like with this going on, it's pretty good, especially this rear view right here. So I can pull that right there. Anyway, I just thought I'd share with you, and I'll post some links, and I hope you enjoy it.